I tell you? A lot of good things are said about you. Everything about you is excellent. Him. You're an angel. Don't worry about you. Some good things are said about you.
Very good.
Disappeared to some good things about you.
Oh.
Some good things about you. Okay. She's lucky.
Okay. A pleasant good evening to the women. I'm very elated and honored to be selected as brand ambassador for Dolla Financial Services. I believe that this is a good step going forward, not just for myself, and I can only hope that corporate Jamaica will come on board and support not only me but other field event athletes and athletes in general, because it's hard to do what we do without the financial support. And I'm truly grateful for this opportunity. I'm excited to see what will come from this partnership as I continue to prepare for the World Championships this year. And as you said, beyond, the aim is to go all the way until 2028 in LA. So that's the goal, and I'm happy to be on board with you guys. Thank you.
Thank you. All right. Walter. Welcome everybody. Thank you for being here. We are delighted to see so many of you here, but we're even more delighted to see Mrs. Ricketts and her husband, Mr. Ricketts. I'm very formal that way. But I suspect over time we'll become bosom buddies and then we'll drop some of the formalities. Yes. All of this came about because of an article that we read last Friday in the newspapers, where Mr. Ricketts spoke about the loyalty of Mrs. Ricketts to Jamaica, to track and field in Jamaica, to the opportunities that had been presented her way, that she gave up to remain here. And it touched something within us at Dolla, because Dolla prides itself on the loyalty that it has with its customers, its stakeholders, its shareholders. And we thought, against that background, that Mrs. Ricketts would be a fitting brand ambassador for Dolla, and we would be able to give her some support during the course of her journey to the World Championships this year, the next World Championships coming up, to the Olympics after that. So we're here with you. And all of this is a testimony to loyalty. Thank you.
Any commentary? Any